Welcome to Review Lab. The best first aid kit refill is probably one of the most essential items you can have in your home, car, or even your backpack, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected minor injuries or ailments, from cuts and scrapes to headaches and allergies, providing peace of mind and immediate relief when you need it most. Number 5. Rescue Essentials Medications Dose Pack, 30 doses. Don't let minor ailments sideline your adventures. This compact kit is your go-to solution for common discomforts, ensuring you're prepared wherever you roam. Suffering from headaches or body aches? It contains effective pain relievers to help you get back to feeling your best quickly. Whether it's seasonal sniffles or an upset stomach, this pack has you covered. Find relief from allergy symptoms and digestive issues with ease. Designed for convenience, this refill kit is perfectly sized for your travel bag or emergency kit. It's the smart way to carry essential medications. This module provides 30 doses of crucial medications, making it an indispensable part of your emergency preparedness. Stay prepared for unexpected situations. Rely on Rescue Essentials for your first aid needs. This medication pack ensures you have the necessary relief when you need it most. What we like? This refill offers a wide range of essential medications for common ailments. It's perfect for those who need a compact and complete medication solution for emergencies. If you prioritize having a broad spectrum of medicines in a small package, this is an excellent choice for your travel or IFAK needs. What people say. This is a great refill kit for my first aid box. It has all the essentials and is well organized. Number 4. Travel RX Medicine Kit by Real Vitamins. Introducing the Travel RX Medicine Kit, your perfect partner for any journey. It's designed to keep you comfortable and prepared, no matter where your adventures take you. Don't let travel discomfort slow you down. This kit offers quick and effective relief for common issues like indigestion and motion sickness, ensuring a smoother trip. Each medicine is individually wrapped for your safety and convenience. This ensures hygiene and makes it easy to access what you need, when you need it. Everything you need is neatly organized in a durable bag. Its compact size makes it easy to pack, so you can take essential relief with you anywhere. From Real Vitamins, you can trust the quality and effectiveness of this travel medicine kit. Be prepared for anything and enjoy your travels with peace of mind. What we like? This kit is designed with travelers in mind, featuring individually wrapped medications for hygiene and convenience. It specifically addresses common travel discomforts like indigestion and motion sickness. If you are a frequent traveler or planning a trip, this refill ensures you have targeted relief readily available. What people say. This refill kit is a great way to keep your first aid kit stocked with essential medications. It includes a variety of pain relievers, allergy medications, and stomach remedies, making it suitable for most common ailments. The packaging is compact and easy to store, ensuring you have what you need when you need it. Number 3. OSHA and ANSI 2021 Class B Refill Kit. Ensure your workplace is prepared with our OSHA and ANSI 2021 Class B Refill Kit. It's designed to meet the latest standards for a 50-person capacity. This kit contains 208 essential pieces to replenish your existing first aid supplies. It provides everything you need to handle common workplace injuries. Stay compliant with the latest ANSI 2021 Class B regulations. This refill is specifically curated to meet these updated requirements. It comes equipped with vital items such as a splint and tourniquet for more serious situations. You'll also find a variety of single-dose items for immediate care. Perfect for larger teams, this kit is designed for up to 50 people. Keep your first aid station fully stocked and ready for any emergency. This is the perfect solution for refilling or upgrading your current first aid kit. It ensures you have the necessary supplies on hand. What we like? This refill meets OSHA and ANSI Class B standards, making it ideal for workplaces with 50 people. It goes beyond basic first aid by including essential tools like a splint and tourniquet. If you manage a larger workplace or facility and need to upgrade or refill a Class B kit, this comprehensive option is a must-have. What people say. This refill kit is a great way to keep your first aid kit stocked with essential medications. It includes a variety of pain relievers, allergy medications, and antiseptic wipes, making it suitable for a wide range of minor injuries and ailments. The packaging is compact and easy to store, ensuring that you have quick access to necessary treatments when needed. Number 2. OSHA and ANSI Class A Refill Kit. Ensure your workplace is prepared with our OSHA and ANSI 2021 Class A Refill Kit. This comprehensive pack is designed to meet the requirements for up to 25 people. With 78 essential pieces, this kit provides everything you need to restock your first aid supplies. It's perfect for keeping your existing boxes and cabinets fully equipped. Whether for your office, home, or vehicle, this refill pack ensures you're ready for any minor emergencies. Maintain compliance and safety wherever you are. Easily restock your current first aid kit or upgrade to meet the latest Class A standards. This is the perfect solution for maintaining an up-to-date safety supply. Stay compliant with OSHA and ANSI 2021 regulations effortlessly. This refill kit simplifies the process of ensuring your first aid provisions are adequate and current. What we like. Designed to meet OSHA and ANSI Class A requirements, this refill is suitable for up to 25 people. It's a great way to restock standard first aid boxes and cabinets. If you need to maintain a compliant first aid station for your office, home, or vehicle, this pack provides the necessary essentials. What people say. The kit is well organized and easy to navigate, making it simple to find what you need quickly. It includes a comprehensive range of essential medications and supplies for common injuries and ailments. The compact size and durable case make it convenient for travel and storage. Number 1. Poygik Premium 420-piece Large First Aid Kit. Be prepared for any situation with this comprehensive first aid kit. It's designed to handle a wide range of emergencies, ensuring you have what you need, when you need it. Whether you're at home, in the car, or exploring the outdoors, this kit is your reliable companion. It contains 420 essential pieces to address injuries effectively. This large kit provides extensive medical supplies suitable for various environments. Keep it in your vehicle, office, or take it on your next camping trip for peace of mind. Trust in the quality and quantity of the medical items included. It's an ideal choice for businesses and households alike, offering essential emergency care. Don't let unexpected incidents catch you off guard. This versatile kit ensures you're equipped to manage medical needs during travel, sports, or any outdoor activity. This is more than just a first aid kit, it's a complete emergency medical solution. Its large size and extensive contents make it suitable for a multitude of scenarios. What we like. With an impressive 420 pieces, this kit is designed for a wide array of emergencies in various settings. It's a premium choice for comprehensive preparedness at home, in your car, or during outdoor activities. If you are looking for an extensive and high-quality first aid solution that covers almost any situation, this large kit is your best bet. What people say. This is a great refill kit for my first aid box. It has all the essentials and is well organized. I love that this kit comes with a variety of bandages in different sizes, which is very convenient. The antiseptic wipes are individually wrapped, which is hygienic and makes them easy to use on the go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.